May naririnig akong kumakanta. Yung kasambahay nila dito sa bahay na tinutuluyan namin. Tara, tingnan natin. Ano siya? Taga Myanmar, pero yung lahi niya, yung mga ninuno nila, Nepal Indian. Kaya mix-mix siya. Maganda. Ang ganda niya. Bata pa. Naririnig ko kumakanta. Akala ko mamamalansya siya. Pero siguro nagplaplansya habang kumakanta. Tingnan natin. Dadalawa lang kasi kami dito sa bahay. Kasi nga binabantayan ko yung swimming pool doon sa garden. Nandito siya sa laundry sa likod. Wala yung mga amo namin. Dito tayo dadaan para hindi niya marinig yung screen door sa kabila. Dito tayo. Naririnig niyo yun? Yung pintuan ayaw makisama. Maririnig ako nito. Hindi ko naiintindihan yung kinakanta niya, pero maganda yung boses niya pag narinig mo sa loob ng bahay. Hindi pa niya ako napapansin.
Hi, bestie. How are you? So busy, tired days. So busy lah, I know.
Yala, it's your off tomorrow. What? Me, I know off.
Hey, tomorrow I'm going so happy.
You will go dance?
Yeah, so tomorrow coming. So I'm just go tomorrow and run. Tomorrow I am so happy to go.
Buy mango for me, eh?
Mango,
Yeah, Thai mango.
Thai mango.
How much one?
I don't know the yellow one or
The yellow.
okay. Then I can go.
How much one? Just one.
Just only need you one.
Oh, how much is it?
I don't know. It's like tag 50.
50, then can and then how about the green one?
What can you do?
Green mango.
This is depends lah. Say 30 baht. It's okay. I buy for you.
I give you my 100 baht. I don't have any more baht. Okay, bye. Okay, don't disturb her because she's busy. The boss are coming. Bye. Easy. Hasib.
You have so many hisip.
How much I have? How many Thai? How much Thai I have?
This is the 20.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I have 120 Thai baht. Ang yaman ko na.
So many hisip.
Hisip daw yung 20.
Hisip.
20 Thai baht.
And this
hisip. And how you call the 50?
Hasip.
Hasip. Hisip.
Hasip.
Hasip. Hisip. Hasip. 50. 20.
How many total?
120.
120 called the Linglue song.